It looks like it's a decent day anyway, but it is mainly cloudy officially at the airport. 19 degrees, you have a west wind at 26 kilometers per hour, and the relative humidity is 68%. Now you can see the difference at areas that have had showers or a fair bit of cloud around. Temperatures in the high teens. Drumheller is at 23 degrees. Across the mountains, mostly in the 20s. We've got 20 degrees in Cranbrook currently and a nice and summery 26 in Golden. Notice that the flow continues to come out of the northwest, and that's an unstable flow. That's why we've got these severe thunderstorm watches in effect for much of extreme southern Alberta, and that does still include Lethbridge. And some of these have popped up. No severe ones around us right now, but there were some earlier. You can see that the flow coming in has a thunderstorm just headed towards Iron Springs right about there. Another one heading southeastwards to Bow Island. And the last one here is just crossing the border south of Foremost. This one towards Iron Springs and the one that's crossing the border do have some hail in it and some heavy downpours, so don't be surprised if there's severe weather for a short time. Nothing immediately upstream of Lethbridge right now, but we'll continue to watch overnight tonight. Computer forecaster actually wants to show the fact that the showers that we see along the foothills pretty well come to an end about 9 o'clock tonight, so you can see that Lethbridge will see clearing skies. And then tomorrow morning we start off with lots of sunshine, increasing cloud. There could be a few showers developing towards or after supper time. They'll mostly be once again towards the foothills. And then when you get up on Wednesday morning, it looks like another sunny day. Better chance of some showers and thunder showers developing later in the day on Wednesday, and probably a little bit earlier, as you can see. Before supper time, they'll be heading towards Lethbridge, and we'll probably see them persisting right into Thursday too. Across eastern Canada, it's generally cool days. 19 degrees currently in St. John, 16 in Halifax, 17 in Moncton, 22 in Montreal, 23 in Ottawa, 23 in Toronto, and 21 currently in Windsor. Across the west, we're generally cool too. 23 in Winnipeg, 19 in Regina, 17 in Saskatoon, 22 in Edmonton. Nice summery 29 in Kelowna. You know, it reached 34 Canadian hotspot in Lillooet in the Fraser Canyon right about there. 23 currently in Vancouver, 29 in Prince George, and very pleasant summer weather north of 60, most areas in the 20s. Okay, here's our forecast then in detail for much of southern Alberta. If you're heading onto the other side of the Rockies and the Kootenays, expect to see increasing cloud, just a slight chance of a late day shower or thunder shower, a high of 27 degrees. For the Crow's Nest Pass area, low of 9 tonight. You'll see a high of 24 tomorrow with increasing cloud. Once again, a slight chance of a shower or a thunder shower later in the day. Medicine Hat, you probably see much the same. Sun in the morning, mainly cloudy in the afternoon, chance of a late day shower, a high of 24 degrees. And for Lethbridge, we're going to go with sunshine in the morning, increasing cloud in the afternoon, and the chance of a late day or evening shower or thunder shower, and a summery high of around 25 degrees. So if we look a little bit further down, the next 5 days, it looks like Wednesday will probably be just a bit cooler with a better chance of late day showers and thunder showers. Thursday is probably our wettest day. It's too bad we can't string a whole lot of these together so the farmers could finally get those hay crops in and stop all that mold. And then starting to improve again on Friday, and by Saturday should be mainly sunny and temperatures up in the mid-20s. So maybe then the farmers can get out in the field with a few dry days. Now, as far as our records go for the rest of the week, they continue in the mid to high 30s for the highs. It looks like our highest record high is tomorrow, where it still reached 37 degrees Celsius. That's 99 Fahrenheit. And most of our record lows continuing above the freezing point. The closest one would be Friday, where it drops to a record low of 2 degrees. So still a bit unsettled for the next little while. Jackie?